What if you could have a brand new home in Summerlin Grand Park with a main floor master and world-class views of the Las Vegas Strip? Today we are going inside a Summerlin unicorn that has exactly that. Buyers think they have to choose between convenience or a strip view, and this floor plan gives you both of best worlds with no wait. This Tri Pointe home is 2,390 square feet, has 3 bedrooms plus a loft, and it's ready now. Let's go take a look. So coming in, this is gonna be a very open concept. You are gonna have your luxury vinyl plank floors. One of my favorite things is the outlet on the floor, which has to go in when they pour the concrete. So that's one of my favorite features because you can never add it. And then a very open, bright kitchen. So it's gonna have a side-by-side stainless refrigerator. And then you're gonna have your GE profile oven, and then you're gonna have the microwave. I love the added touch of the gold hardware that you do not have to add. And then you have a little area that you could set up for your coffee. Lots of cabinet space. You're gonna have a stainless steel GE profile dishwasher, a big open sink with the garbage disposal button there with the gold hardware. You're gonna have a 5-burner GE cooktop, and then it's gonna vent with the white cabinetry. And then let's go take a look at the pantry. My organization brain loves a good walk-in pantry, and it has just that. So lots of great shelves, and you can label everything and make it really pretty. And what I love about the downstairs is there's 2 wings to it. So we are going to head to the primary side of it, which is this way. So coming in from the garage, you're also gonna have your laundry room. So most of the major living is on this main floor. It is almost like a single-story home, but when I go upstairs and show you the bonus room. And the loft, you'll have that. And then just a coat closet to hang your coats coming in from the garage. And then this is the powder room that your guests are gonna be able to use when they come over, so they won't have to go into any of the bedrooms. And I like that it's off of the main living area, so nobody has to hear you go to the bathroom. And then heading into the primary bedroom, you are gonna have sliders off of the primary bedroom that overlook the courtyard, backyard, side yard, whatever you wanna call it. And then let's head into the bathroom. So you're gonna have that upgraded spa shower that has a bench, really cool wavy tile that has good texture. And then you have the double sinks, his and hers. I would say hers would go there with more counter space. And then I love the window in there that brings more natural light, and then a walk-in closet right off the bathroom, so you can get dressed. And then you have your, well, that's a good size. I love a big toilet room so you don't hit your knees. Let's go look at the other wing of the house. Okay, heading over to the other side of the house. This would actually be great if you had a roommate or you wanted the kids on the other side of the house. But when you walk in, you're gonna have, of course, the stairs to go up. You're gonna have lots of closets. So you're gonna have another really large closet. It goes in and all the way back. So if you're creative, you could really do something cool with this. A playroom, a meditation room, you name it. And then you're gonna have another closet. So much storage in this house. And then this is gonna be bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is a really great size. It's gonna have a walk-in closet. You can add some custom cabinetry. And then you have the bedroom. Check out that view. And then you're gonna have the bathroom inside the bedroom. So I love that. Tile all the way to the ceiling. So this is bedroom number 2. Okay, heading up the stairs. So, like I said, you could live most of your life downstairs. You have the laundry room, you have the primary room, you have everything else. This is just gonna be an extra bonus room, great for guests. You're gonna have a balcony off of the loft when you get to the top of the stairs. And it's a good sized balcony. You can put some furniture out here, but check out that view. That is the Las Vegas Strip, and where we are at in Grand Parks in Summerlin, that view will not go away. And then on the west side, you're gonna see the mountain view, which also overlooks your side yard, backyard, courtyard area. And then again, you have a full bedroom upstairs. It's gonna have bypass closet doors, and then kind of the same layout as the bedroom downstairs, except for this bathroom is gonna be a tub shower combination. And then you have your toilets. So it's perfect for your guests so they could have their own private area, or again, a roommate. Let me show you the courtyard, side yard, backyard. It has a triple sliding glass door. So literally, it brings in so much natural light. I actually love the screen doors that come with it because you can close them off and save yourself from the bugs and still get the natural air. So this is gonna be the courtyard. It overlooks the area of the front door, so you can have your guests come right in. And then you're gonna also have access to the backyard, or the back, whatever it's called, where the garage is. Pavers there. And then this is the primary bedroom sliders. This move-in ready home is priced just over $1.1 million. Main floor masters hold a 15% resale premium. Skip the 10-month wait and lock in today's price. If you want to set up a private showing, reach out to me directly at the information below. My name is Amy Arbeli with the Arbeli team, and I will see you on the next tour.